Welcome back, everybody. What's going on? Vitaly Dubin is here, and welcome to another episode of today's In Crypto Show. The crypto market are on the uptrend, once again approaching $1 trillion, and Bitcoin above $20,000 right now. But too early to celebrate, but still we are on the right track right now in this moment, creating maybe for the first time in many years a green September. As you know, September 2017 was a red one, 18 a red one, 19 a red one, 21, 20. I mean, all of these years it was September a red one, and right now in 3 days we might actually close September in a green, but time will tell. Of course, it's too early to be bullish right now, as we are still very down from this bear flag, and until we are able to cross this bear flag to the upside and really close a candle above, we got rejected one time and two times from this line right here. We're still, of course, on a bearish trend for Bitcoin, but still we are creating what seems like a double bottom. You can see on the charts we did not go lower than $17,500, despite so many people screaming that Bitcoin is going to go to $12,000, etc. And I told no. The likelihood on the charts, what I've been telling in the last 3 months, that Bitcoin already hit its bottom on June 18th, 2022, and we are not going to create lower prices than that, most likely. So there you go, we are breaking out right now, and you can see in the next few days we'll see how this trend is continuing. Also Ethereum right now getting a little bit, Ethereum was smashed, of course. We're still in red months right now for Ethereum, but we're getting slightly higher moves right now towards the $1,400. And you can see Luna Classic has exploded in the past week, creating up of movement of 78%, and that is primarily because of the Binance burning, the Binance plot to supply burn. Essentially what it means is Binance will implement a burn mechanism to burn all trading fees on Luna Classic spot and margin trading pairs and sending them to the Luna Classic burn address. Now, you know, Luna Classic in May completely collapsed and lost $40+ billion in the market cap share. And despite of that, the project is still alive, and right now it is on the 34th spot. Terra Luna Classic, I mean, incredible, creating in the last 30 days over 120% in profit during this bear market. So pretty incredible. A lot of people are looking to take advantage of the situation of the Luna Classic, and they say, well, it still is trading at 0.0003, and some hope that it will go to $1, even though it is highly unlikely that it will ever go to $1. So, you know, Terra was trading at about $80-90 last year. So there you go. Now we have Disney pushes further into the crypto DeFi NFT space. They are hiring experts in the NFT and legal to really get into the Web3, to really get into NFTs in a much deeper level. And I believe everything in the NFT space is going to just explode in the coming years, because this just makes sense to tokenize not just the art, but a lot of the physical assets too. That's why the Matrix Port co-founder said that almost everything could be tokenized in 5 to 10 years. Eventually, all the major financial asset classes are going to be represented on this new financial infrastructure, and NFT could be our instrument to represent off-chain assets like real estate deeds, equities, and bonds. So there you go. Earlier this month, a report from Boston Consulting Group estimated the total size of tokenized illiquid assets to reach $16.1 trillion by 2030. She also argued that blockchain infrastructure is the superior option to legacy systems, citing cost efficiencies, improved liquidity, 24/7 market access, and the removal of intermediaries as the main factors that would lead to a more streamlined financial system. So the world as we know it in the next 5-10 years financially is going to change. And also from the central bank digital currencies, we already see Australia is pushing ahead with its own central bank digital currency. It's going to be called the AUD pair, like electronic AUD. And what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. How would that affect the crypto market when we will see likely those stable coins or like central bank digital currencies controlled, not decentralized, but controlled by a centralized banking system? How will that affect our life, and how will that affect the cryptocurrency markets? Time will tell, of course. And in a bid for the bankrupt Voyager Group for $1.4 billion, the exchange FTX is winning the bid. I think FTX exchange is really planning to be, kicking off Binance from its leading status of the exchange, right? So FTX is the second exchange right now in the space with $2.1 billion trading volume in the last 24 hours. Of course, Binance is much more than that. If you look on a Binance exchange, how much Binance is actually having in the last 24 hours is $21 billion. So it's 10 times. So FTX right now takes 10% of the market share of Binance, but they're making moves to acquire more and more customers, more and more people, to really aim to be the #1 exchange in the world. So we'll see if they'll be able to succeed in that mission. And Ultron, layer 1 blockchain, the fastest growing layer 1 blockchain in the crypto space, is gaining speed and momentum. We have right now more than 41,440 accounts holders of Ultron coins, which is amazing during the bear market and growing super fast. We're going to be the sponsors, one of the sponsors at the future blockchain summit event. So if you happen to be in Dubai during the 10th to 13th of October, definitely come in and you'll be able to meet all of the key management of Ultron, the CTOs and etc., the CEOs, to really discuss and understand the all possibilities that everything can be built on top of Ultron. Everything can be, any project can be launched, everything can be tokenized, etc. And we right now, if you look at the staking, if we include in TVL the staking, we are right now the 22nd place out of all the layer 1 blockchains in the crypto space in such a short period of time. So this is very impressive. And I'll be doing more of a training on Ultron swap at 8 p.m. Dubai time on Wednesday. And today I'll be doing an overview of Ultron at 10 p.m. Dubai time. So definitely tune in. You'll be able to see links down below in the description of this YouTube video. So there we go. That's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. The markets are looking more bullish today than they were just a couple of days ago, but too early to celebrate. We might see another 6 to 12 months of this bearishness, considering the micro factors and all of this inflation and raising the interest rates, etc. So yeah, but eventually the bear market will end and the bull market will start. It is inevitable, and right now is a great time to take in your spots, to take in your positions while the market is in down phases as it is right now. So click on the subscribe button and stay up to date with what's going on in the crypto space, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.